Hello, so in this video I'm going to explain how to install and use Squarespace request a quote plugin. Okay, so first thing first, you're going to have to create an account. So you're going to have to click on start free trial. In my case, I've already created my account. So once you create your account, this screen will appear in front of you and this will be empty. Of course, I have added a few licenses here. Each license can be used for one website. So you're going to have to create a new license. And once you click on new license, you will have to choose the website that you want to connect with QuotePlugin. In my case, I've already connected the website. So I'm going to go and click open button. All right. So once you do this, you will have to start the 14 days free trial, which I've already done. So you will see just a button here to do that. In my case, I've already done that. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to going to install this plugin on the website. So I'm going to click add feature to the website and clicking on open code injection. This screen will open, and then in the footer, I'm going to paste the code and save it. Okay, once this is done, the plugin is installed and the plugin is initiated. So you see the plugin is installed. Now, if you want to play with the options here, so I'm going to explain each of the options that are available one by one. Okay, so number one being, if you want to show the code feature on specific product or specific collection, you can do that. So the collections are same as the store pages, which list all of your products. So I'm going to enable this, and this fetches. All right, so if the products are not appearing at once at first, you can click the refresh products and it will fetch all the products for you. And if you have updated products or added new products, you can also click on refresh products to kind of fetch them here. You can search for that collection name and the product names that you want to show this feature on. So in my case, I just want to show this on Perla barbecues, and I do want to disable the cart and checkout. What it does is that it disables the add to cart button and also the cart page and the cart feature. So if you are selecting this for a particular a specific product only, this will just disable the add to cart button for that page or that product, not for the whole store. So I want to do that, and I want to hide the prices. So this hide prices will also, of course, only work on this collection only. You can see it has checked all of the products inside this collection. And I do want to show the quantity. All right, and let's see, it says the position on the collection page. I want it to be add to cart, and same on the product page. The request quote label, it can be anything. So you can say ask quote. Okay, and the quote icon is actually this icon right at the bottom. So I do want it in the header. So yeah, and this is an important part. So if you want to have a specific email address that you want to use for your customers to reply to when they get a code notification, you can put that here. In my case, I'm just leaving this blank. And of course, if you want to integrate the Google Sheet, you just need to click on connect button here, select your Google account, and this will automatically create a Google Sheet for you. Okay, let's save the changes and see how it looks like on the website. Also, if you want, you can play with the color customization. So the background color, the text color is black, button color is black, the button text color is white, and the quote icon color, which is this icon. Okay, so if we refresh, you will see this in the header. Okay, let's refresh the website as a whole. Okay, you see, it's the code icon is added at the top, and if you click on it, it shows you the product that has been added to cart. Of course, I added this before the video, but I'm going to remove this for now, and I'm going to show you how it looks like on. Okay, so these are all the collection pages that we have. So asado, barbecue, and grills. For this, we did not enable any add to cart feature. So you see this is just working fine as it should. And this is under barbecue, asada barbecue. So if you look at, it's here, and we have not enabled any of these products. So let's go to the Prila barbecues collection, which we also already have enabled. So if you take a look, you can see there is an ask quote button here, and if you click, it just adds this product to the quote. And also for the variant products, if you click on it, it takes you to the page, to the store page, to the product page, and here you can choose the size. For example, the variants, I'm going to use this, and I can also put a quantity because I have enabled the quantity. So let's ask for code, and this has appeared over here. We have not added any picture for this product. That's why it's not appearing here. So I can also show you by adding another one. Let's go for this, and has multiple variant options. If it's like this, and we go for, okay, installation options, exclude, and this could be anything. So your product could be anything. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to press ask for code, and it does add the code for me. And of course, once I click add my details, it is going to add the details for me. So I'm going to say test, and the location could be anything. For my case, I'm going to say test, and the number is optional, and the message field is also optional here. So I'm going to press, okay, it needs the correct email. So I'm going to say test@icecreamstar.com. Okay. And once I do that, I receive a confirmation email like this. Okay, so I received this confirmation email which says new quote request has been received. And this looks like this. It includes the name, email, phone number that we just added, and also the products that have been added to the quote. So you can reach back to these people your customers by copying their email and sending them an update once you have an update for them. And a similar email will be received by customers. So you can test it out. And if you have connected your Google Sheet, the same data would transfer over to the Google Sheet as well. Thanks.